Welcome to my channel. Nighthawk M6 Pro APN configuration fast and simple method. Step 1. Insert SIM and power on. Insert your SIM card into the Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro mobile router and turn it on. Wait until the device fully starts and shows network signal. Step 2. Connect the Wi-Fi. Connect your phone, laptop, or tablet to the router's Wi-Fi using the SSID and password mentioned on the device. Step 3. Open web browser. Open any browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari on your connected device. Step 4. Access login page. Type 192.168.1.1 or http://mynighthawkm6 in the address bar and press enter to open the router login page. Step 5. Log in to router. Enter the admin username and password. You can find these details on the router label if you haven't changed them. Step 6. Go to Settings. After login, navigate to the Settings section and open Advanced Settings if available. Step 7. Open APN settings. Click on Mobile Network and then select APN or Profile Management to manage Internet settings. Step 8. Create new APN profile. Click on Add New or Plus New Profile to create a fresh APN configuration. Step 9. Enter APN details. Enter the correct APN provided by your network provider. For example, T-Mobile, fast.t-mobile.com AT&T. Broadband. Make sure all details are correct. Step 10. Save and restart. Click Save, select the new APN as default, and restart your router. Your internet should now work smoothly. Thanks for watching.